What if I told you you could start a YouTube channel, grow it, and even make thousands of dollars without ever showing your face using just AI tools like ChatGPT? Sounds like a dream, right? But it's real. In this video, I'll walk you through how to build a faceless YouTube automation system, even if you're a total beginner. And yes, you can start this today. First, choose a niche that works for faceless content. Some popular ones: motivation, think quotes and stories with music; finance and money tips, budgeting, investing, side hustles; tech and AI news; true crime, history, or listicles. Once you pick a niche, it's time to create content. And this is where ChatGPT becomes your best friend. You simply ask it to write a video script. For example, write a 3-minute YouTube script about 5 passive income ideas for beginners. In seconds, it'll give you a full video script, intro, tips, and even a call to action. You can tweak the tone, style, and make it sound more human too. Next, you turn that script into audio without recording your voice. Tools like ElevenLabs, TTSMaker, or Murph AI give you ultra-realistic AI voices. Choose a tone: male, female, casual, professional, whatever fits your content. Now it's time to match visuals with your voice. Use free stock video sites like Pexels, Pixabay, Storyblocks for premium users. Drag and drop your B-roll clips into editing apps like CapCut, InVideo, or Canva Video. Once your video is ready, upload it to YouTube with a catchy title, SEO-friendly tags, and a high-converting thumbnail. Here's where the magic happens. If you post consistently, even 2-3 videos a week, you can apply for monetization once you hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. Plus, you can add affiliate links, sponsorships, or promote digital products to earn more. Yes, there are creators earning $100,000 to $10,000 plus monthly with faceless AI channels. It's not overnight, but it's absolutely possible. AI has changed the game. You don't need a fancy setup or to be on camera anymore. Just some creativity and a few free tools and you're in the game. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI income tips, and drop a comment if you're starting your own channel.